OnePlus might be getting ready to do something very different with its next flagship. A new leak around the OnePlus 16 suggests the company is done playing it safe and is instead going all in on extreme hardware. After the mixed reaction to the OnePlus 15, this feels like a clear attempt to win back longtime fans who felt the brand had lost its edge. For some context, the OnePlus 15 was a powerful phone, especially for gaming and performance. It delivered strong speed, a big battery, and solid thermals. However, many users were disappointed by the camera system. Compared to the OnePlus 13, the OnePlus 15 actually took a step back in camera hardware, using smaller sensors and dropping features that helped define the pro feel. That made the phone feel less balanced and more like a performance-first device. Now, according to a leak shared by OnePlus Club, the OnePlus 16 could be a major course correction. Instead of small, safe upgrades, OnePlus may be aiming for top-tier specs across the board. And yes, some of these rumored specs sound almost excessive. Let's start with the display, because that's where things get wild. The OnePlus 16 is tipped to feature a flat 15K X5 OLED screen with a 240 Hz refresh rate. That number is massive. Most flagship phones today stop at 120s, and even gaming phones rarely push past 165X. A 240H screen means scrolling, animations, and gaming would look incredibly smooth, at least in theory. To support that kind of display, OnePlus is expected to use Qualcomm's upcoming Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 Pro chipset. This is a next-generation processor that hasn't even been officially announced yet. On top of that, the phone is rumored to use LPDDR6 RAM, which would offer faster speeds and better efficiency than current memory standards. All signs point to OnePlus pushing raw performance harder than ever before. The camera system is another area where OnePlus seems ready to make a statement. The leak suggests the OnePlus 16 will feature two 200MP cameras. One would be a 200MP Samsung ISOCELL HP5 sensor for the main camera, and the other would be a 200MP sensor for the periscope telephoto lens. That's a huge jump from the 50MP sensors used in recent models. If this turns out to be true, it could bring major improvements in detail, zoom quality, and flexibility. There's also talk of telephoto macro support, which would allow close-up shots using the zoom lens. That's something we usually see on more expensive or camera-focused phones, so it would be a big upgrade for OnePlus. The battery might be the most impressive part of this leak. The OnePlus 16 is rumored to pack a massive 9000 mAh battery. That's nearly double what we see in most flagships today. What makes this even more interesting is the use of silicon-carbon battery technology, which allows higher energy density without making the phone overly thick or heavy. Charging speeds are expected to stay fast, with 120W wired charging and 50W wireless charging. This combination suggests OnePlus is aiming for true multi-day battery life without sacrificing convenience. Other rumored features include dual coaxial speakers, an improved vibration motor, upgraded fingerprint recognition, and an IP69 rating for water and dust resistance. All of these details point to OnePlus trying to deliver a complete flagship experience, not just strong performance in one area. The OnePlus 16 is expected to launch in China in the fourth quarter of 2026, with a global release likely coming shortly after. While some of these specs do feel like overkill, especially the 240H display, they also show that OnePlus is rediscovering its bold identity. Most apps won't really benefit from a 240H screen, and many users may never notice the difference. Still, it's exciting to see the never settle mindset return. After the OnePlus 15 felt a bit too safe and too close to an Oppo rebrand, this leak makes the OnePlus 16 feel like a true comeback. If OnePlus can deliver all this in a comfortable, designed phone, it could easily become one of the most exciting flagships of its generation.